Hi everyone, this is John. I find it intriguing that there's someone out there out on the west coast. I think he's in Washington, and he has a whole bunch of crows around him. Mine aren't crows. And it's a very cold, icy, rainy day here in Pennsylvania. Today's Thursday, December 15th. And I don't know what they are exactly. They're like I guess maybe sparrows or something. So, Derek Bros has a whole bunch of crows. I think mine are sparrows. I ain't sure. Maybe somebody could tell what they are. This phone is so terrible that I have to zoom in all the way just to barely even see what they are. But, I mean, they're literally right across the street. I mean... Well, what the heck? It's raining, freezing rain here, but... Hi guys. Just enjoying the icy rain. Alright everyone. Peace, love, joy, and kindness to you all. I guess they're watching over me.